They're gonna put a mask on you.
Boo. You got my mask on my face.
What kind of mask are they? What kind of mask are they?
Boo.
What kind of mask are they gonna put on you?
That's a scary one.
With anesthesia in it?
Yeah.
What's it gonna look like? Huh?
Boo. Mom, what are my tears?
What is
What are my
the
tears?
what is the mask gonna look like?
Boo.
Does it give me like scream?
What was that? You did that. You farted. Stop farting. Stop. Stop. You farted. Oh my gosh, it's broken. Oh, it's broken.
It's not broken. Just leave it up there. Open your hand. They're gonna put anesthesia on your mask.
No.
What kind of mask are they gonna put on you?
Boo. I can't take it off.
Megan, stop. Leave it alone.
I thought at first this was a picture. Like, I'm gonna go.
Put your finger down. Put your finger down. Megan, put your finger down.
My heartbeat's going crazy.
It's because you keep moving that thing. Megan,
No, that don't mean nothing. Get my surgery.
what kind of mask?
I'm gonna get it in 10 minutes.
What kind of mask are they gonna put on you?
Oh.
Megan.
Whoa. Wait, what time is it? I'm okay now.
I told you to quit moving that IV.
No, too far.
It's gonna hurt if you keep moving
I
it.
know, I heard you in my
Well,
tears.
stop.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
Huh?
Done.
You're done with what?
Done. I'm so hungry.